What's up, everybody? Here we are. So in this announcement, I just want to show you a few things and explain kind of what we have left. So the only thing we have left is the final story project, which is your final exam. Congratulations, you've made it. Make sure you complete the career research assignment, which is due Sunday, and then we're going to just work towards finishing this semester with our final exam. So be on the lookout in announcements. Moving forward, I'm going to provide you an opportunity to kind of consult with me, let me know what you're thinking about for your final exam, and I can give you feedback so that you can be as successful as possible in completing that final exam, okay? So, and I'm going to try to do a few different things and ask you guys what you prefer. See if we can have some like Zoom meetings or open hours, or call me or whatever it may be. So I'll be posting some stuff about that later. So here, when we look at the screen, I want to show you where to find the information. So right here, if you're in our course and you hit home, scroll down. These are the different modules, right? And at the very bottom, before extra credit, you have major assignments. And under the major assignments, I will have right here, you see the final story screencast. That there kind of just explains information about the final story project and what you're looking at. Then the next item for final story assignment explanation, this here is me explaining the entire assignment. So you'll want to open that up and look at the videos. One is 15 minutes. The other one is like 3 minutes. Please bear with me. I know they're a little long, but I was trying to condense what I would go over in a typical hour and a half class in that like 18, 19 minute span. So it shouldn't be too bad for you. All right. And then the last thing here is the final story project final exam. This is where you're going to submit your actual assignment. So here you see the submit button and what you're going to be uploading for your assignment. Okay, so watch all of those videos that I've posted under final story project. That'll give you an explanation of everything, and read through the final exam, the final story project assignment itself, like all of this here. Read through the instructions, read through the planning documents, and read through all of this, and it'll explain the final story. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing all of these final exams later on, but right now I'm just trying to get you to look at everything, read everything, digest it, ask me questions, and then we will move forward from there. All right, hope everybody's safe, everybody's doing well and healthy, and keep your head up.